Before you spend your money on Timothy and Henry, California, there's something you should know. A website can look professional and still leave you wondering whether your order, money, and personal information are actually safe. So, is Timothy and Henry, California a legitimate store, or is it a website you should approach with caution? I did the research so you don't have to, and in this review, I'm sharing the results without trying to make the store look either better or worse than it really is. Timothy and Henry, California presents itself as an online shopping destination. But when evaluating a store like this, the appearance of the website is only one part of the picture. I looked at the available trust signals, customer feedback, website information, potential warning signs, and the overall buying experience to get a clear idea of what shoppers should expect. The results are mixed. There are some aspects that may give potential customers a degree of confidence, but there are also areas that deserve attention before placing an order. Customer experiences and online feedback can be particularly important because they may reveal issues that aren't obvious when simply browsing product pages. At the same time, not every negative comment automatically means a website is a scam, just as a few positive experiences don't guarantee that every customer will have the same result. Based on the information I found, I wouldn't make a definite claim that Timothy and Henry, California is a scam, but I also wouldn't recommend buying without doing your own checks first. If you decide to shop there, carefully review the return policy, payment options, shipping information, and independent customer feedback before spending a significant amount of money. Overall, Timothy and Henry, California falls into a category where caution is reasonable. The evidence isn't strong enough for me to label it clearly legitimate or clearly fraudulent, so consider the available information carefully and make your decision based on your own risk tolerance. Hopefully, this review helps you avoid an unnecessary mistake and make a more informed purchase decision.